Florida City suffer painful ransomware attack. London police in trouble with GDPR. Mars is getting closer, and the delivery drone with something a bit controversial. Hello all and welcome to another episode of Security Weekly. I'm Sasha, your host, and I'm happy to bring you another fresh round of stories. In the same week, 2 Florida cities have suffered ransomware attacks. The first victim is Lake City, which has agreed to pay over $460,000 to hackers in order to regain control of their email and other servers. Earlier in the week, Riviera Beach, a suburb of Palm Beach, was also attacked and had its municipal servers encrypted by malicious attackers. So that brings the total amount paid by Florida municipalities to over $1.1 million. The UK's privacy watchdog has issued London Metropolitan Police with 2 so-called enforcement notices after the police have apparently failed in their obligations under GDPR. London police have not been responding fast enough to citizen subject access requests, essentially access to their personal data, within the required 30 days. So it's believed that the Met have more than 1,100 unprocessed requests with some backlog going back to about 3 months. So GDPR places a high emphasis, as we know, on speed and citizens' information rights, and this latest incident shows that every organization and business must adhere to its standards. Founder and CEO of Spacex, Elon Musk, has stated in a tweet this week that Spacex is accelerating the development of Starship. This is the rocket that is being designed to go to Mars. He also announced that people can start reserving their seats to Mars after it returns from orbit around the Earth from its recent test flight. So Musk has stated recently that Starship has a 60% chance of launching into orbit by 2020 and wants to launch a cargo mission to Mars by 2022 with a crewed mission in 2024, so start packing your bags. Amazon has received the green light for a patent for surveillance drones. The patent describes how the drones could mainly be used for delivery, but also when asked by customers to check on their properties. So once a customer consents, drones could drop in on the customer's property and check for open garage doors, graffiti, or fire. So the whole system was unveiled by Amazon earlier in the month, and the company wants deliveries to be rolled out within months. So it's very quick. Though it's unclear if the new surveillance option will be immediately included or if the company simply wants the patent rights. So that's your weekly dose of cyber news. If you liked our stories, go ahead and share it. Everyone deserves the latest cyber news, so go on, it's good for you. Hope you all have a great week, and as ever, stay safe.